Y'all already know. Grab that baking soda, some chrome powder from the Dollar Tree, some nail glue, and some nail tips. And baby, we about to do these nails like we ain't never did them before. I was thinking I could do kind of like a pinkish nude with this chrome powder. And when I tell you it came out bomb, I'm talking about, baby, it came out bomb. Like, I didn't even think it was going to work, and it did. So we're just going to take this chrome powder and mix it with the baking soda, and we're going to get like a Barbie pink, and we're going to do some French nails. And when I tell you that these nails came out so freaking pretty, y'all need to wait to the end to see how these nails came out, because they came out so freaking pretty. I love them so much. Once you finish mixing up your baking soda, what's wrong with me? Your baking soda and your chrome powder, y'all better test it out. Don't ever just go straight in and do your nails, baby. You got to test out the color. You got to make sure it's the color that you want, because once this goes on your nails, it's not coming off. So I went in and I checked it, and I made sure that this is the color that I want, because I was not trying to walk around here with a color that I did not like. Now going in, we're going to find the nail tips that fit us. Remember, you want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall, and also that they aren't pressing down where you're feeling uncomfortable, because what's going to happen is they are going to lift, and when they lift, you aren't going to have a nail, baby. It's just going to fall off. So you want to make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall, and you're not having to press down for them to fit. You want to make sure they fit perfectly. Now, once you are done finding your nail tips and the sizes that fit you, you want to go in with a nail file or a nail drill. You can use a nail drill at this part. I don't recommend using a nail drill when you're actually filing the baking soda, because the baking soda isn't as rough as acrylic. So a lot of it is going to come off at once. With a nail file, you have a little bit more control because you kind of get tired quick, but with a nail drill, you do not. But right here, I'm just going to prep my nails, you know, go around the cuticles, go around the bread. I can't talk today, y'all. What is wrong with me? Go around the nail bed, and you want to make sure that you're just removing any shine. Now, right here, my nails look shiny, and it's because I have a pillow base coat. Like I said, I do these videos a lot for you guys, and the reason why I haven't been posting these past couple of weeks is because I was actually testing this out. So I was trying to test out a couple of new things for you guys, like what can I do to like the oh my gosh, I just went blank. Like what is wrong with you? Like the time frame of how long it takes you to file. I wanted to find something a little bit more easier for you guys, and I think I found it. And not only that, I also wanted to show you guys a little trick that you can do for retention to make the nails last a little bit longer, because a lot of you guys have been saying that it's not lasting and also it's burning. So I wanted to show you guys this little trick right here that I'm showing you right now. I'm just putting on a layer of glue. So this kind of makes it a little bit of a boundary of where the baking soda and the nail glue kind of get together, but you want to make sure it completely dries. So you don't want to go in with glue and glue and glue. Just make sure this layer dries and then go in with the glue and your baking soda. So now if you are new here, we are doing nails with baking soda. So this is kind of like an acrylic dupe. I'm just going to go in, or I would say like a nail dip acrylic dupe. I am just going to go in and I'm going to dip the full nail in. Now, if you're going longer, I always tell people, if you're going longer, start from the free edge to the cuticle, so that way you can build up an apex. This does not need so much of an apex because it is a short nail, so the middle is just really connected to everything because they are super short. But if you're going medium to long length, you want to make sure you have an apex so you have a longer retention and it doesn't break off in the middle. Now, another thing is you see me dusting off in between the nail sets is because the nail dips is because I want to make sure that I remove all of that baking soda, because your brush will get hard, like it will harden in an instant. Remember, once the glue touches the baking soda, it dries instantly. So you want to make sure that you are dusting off your nails, because if not, you're not gonna have enough nail glue to finish your set or even move on to other sets if you wanted to. You want to make sure you are dusting off your nails so that way that does not happen. So right here I'm showing you that I'm going in with my nail file so that way I can have a less time of filing. So I just did 2 dips, and now I'm going to go in and I'm going to file them, shape them, and then I'm going to go in and dip them 2 more times, just so that way I don't have to file as much.
Broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer.
So this just helps with less filing at the end. Since I'm already working on the shape, it's easier to work with it when it's a little bit thinner than when it's a little bit thicker. So now I'm just going to go in and I'm going to dip my nails 2 more times. A lot of you guys have said that the glue was burning, and sometimes that happens to me if I'm taking like cold medicine or if I'm on antibiotics, something like that. It even burns if I'm like using acrylic as well. But I also learned that this glue right here, it's called Vita something, it's by Kiss, I think. Y'all, this glue does not burn at all, like nothing. I was on cough medicine and it doesn't burn. As I was testing these out, because I do test these out, I want to make sure that they work, and I want to make sure that I'm not just putting something out there so you guys can try and then it doesn't work and y'all be like, girl, that don't work. Yes, they do. But yeah, this glue right here, bomb. Go check it out. It's a little expensive. It's like $3, but it's so freaking good. And it doesn't have a smell, none of that. Like, it doesn't even, none of that. It don't do none of that, okay? Whatever you're thinking, it don't do it.
Special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying.
Now once I go in, I'm just going to file the nails. I want to go around sidewall to sidewall, free edge, cuticle. I want to make sure everything is going to be seamless. You want to take your time here because you will cut yourself, okay? Listen to me when I say I have cut myself plenty of times. You will cut yourself. This nail file is no joke. That is why I say try to use a nail file and not a drill. So right here, I'm just showing you this is your free edge, your cuticle, and your side walls. So you want to make sure all of that is filed so you can get a nice nail and very, you want to make sure that you seal the cuticles. So that's what I mean by seal the cuticle. Cuticles up top where I just mentioned. Now I'm just going to go in with a Kiss Red. I got that from the Dollar Tree, and I'm also going to go in with some top coat from Kiss, and I got these jewels from Dollar Tree as well. Like I said, everything in this video is from the Dollar Tree, from the nail file, the nail tips, everything is from the Dollar Tree. The nail glue is actually from the Dollar General, but it's kind of the same thing. Normally Family Dollar and Dollar Tree are kind of connected, but Dollar General had that glue, and I wanted to try it out. But you can get glue from the Dollar Tree, so you can just use what they have there. Just make sure that it is nail glue and not super glue. But once I got done, this is how the nails turned out. I just did a quick little design, and I'm going to show you at the end how they came out, and I completely love them. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial, and I hope I made it easy. I will be having a lot more tutorials coming out showing you guys different things if that's something that you want to see. Not only that, the shorts, I can do 3 minutes now. So chef's kiss, we're about to go crazy with the shorts, okay? But I hope you guys enjoy. I love y'all, and we'll see you in the next video.